welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making a Petco Park Stadium coaster out of wood and resin. So this is what the result is going to look like. We have an engraved image of Petco Park and the surrounding streets. And we also have the words Petco Park in silver. This coaster is super shiny because it's coated in resin. And on the back here we have some cork. So these are really cool coasters. I really like making them. Let me show you how I did it. Supplies include my M1 Ultra X Tools laser. And we're also going to be using resin from Let's Resin. Let's get started. First, we're going to create the map of Petco Park at Laser Map Maker. Here, we're going to export and then download it as an SVG file. Then, we're going to import the map into the Xtools XCS software. Here, I've gone ahead and added more details to the stadium. I've also added a circle around the map and the words Petco Park. I colored each of the different parts in different layers. The yellow will be scored, black will be engraved, the green will be foiled, and the red will be cut. Let's go ahead and get the map and stadium done. We're going to adjust the settings for the black engraved portion, and here are the settings for the yellow score portion. For now, the green and red layer will be ignored and not processed in this first run. Let's go ahead and hit process, and with my laser, it's going to take 1 hour and 33 minutes. This timing will be different if you use a different laser and different settings. Let's go to the M1 Ultra and load in a piece of wood. This piece looks a little strange because it's a leftover piece from my other project. Okay, let's run it. Here it is doing the engraving at 4x speed. And now it's finishing up the stadium by scoring it. And the first part is done. I think this looks really cool. Next, we're going to add some foil. Back in the software, we're going to ignore the yellow and black because it's done, and switch to hot foil pen. And as you can see here, it's going to take 18 minutes. Back on the M1 Ultra, we're going to install the hot foil pen. Attach the cable and turn it on for 1 minute to heat it up. Now let's add some foil. I have a set of hot foils in various colors. Make sure that the foil is made for hot foil pens or else it will not work. I'm going to pick this iridescent silver foil for our coaster. We're going to cut the foil into small pieces. 1 by 2 is going to work for this project, and take them to the section of the coaster that we want the text. Once we're done, we can start our second run. This is really cool to watch. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. Here's our first one. This looks really good, super clean. And if the foil isn't fully transferred, you can add a new piece of foil and run it again. Back to the software for the next run. Let's pick the red layer and set it to cut. Here it is, cutting the coaster. Alright, so the first part is done. It's so pretty in silver. Now I'm going to give it a coat of resin. Again, I'm going to be using Let's Resin for this project. This is their large 1-gallon set. You get half a gallon of parts A and B each. The nice thing is that it comes with a pump so that it's easy to dispense. Let's give it a good mix with my mixer. And we're going to pour a nice thick layer on each coaster. Using a stick, we're going to spread it all the way to the edges. Resin tends to stick together, so as long as you don't push it off the coaster, you can get the resin all the way to the edges. Once we're done, we're going to pop the bubbles with a quick blast of the heat gun. And now we're going to wait for it to cure. Alright everyone, and we are done. So it's been 24 hours and the resin has cured. And here's what our coasters look like. Isn't this cool? As you can see, the resin gives it a very glossy top layer. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!